this modification, it will be on a Maverick Rev 6. So basically, this modification will make it to where you'll be able to interchange the barrels. So that way, when you're having a Nerf battle and you run out of bullets, you don't have to stop and reload. You can just pop it out and pop in a new one. Okay, for this Nerf mod, we're going to learn how to turn this into the thing that you just saw there. Okay, for this mod, you'll need some screwdrivers. So we're going to take the small screwdriver and then unscrew all of these little things on the outside. If some of the screws won't come out, you can get a small magnet and just put it right above. The screws that you need to undo are here, 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 and here, and there, and there. Once you got all that done, you're going to start next by pulling this off and then unscrew this. If this happens, just simply place this little spring right in the center and then put it right on the other side. Sorry. Pull this out and then place that like so. Next, we're just going to split the gun in half. Well, not split it, but take it apart in half. And now we're just going to push the little button on the other side over here. We're just going to slide this piece out. If this piece falls out of place, you just simply put it right back, just like that, with the flat side pointing towards the down side of the gun. Next, you're not going to bother with this. Now, we're going to work on this. Okay, for this now, you can see the screws. There's 3 of them on the top and 3 of them on the bottom. Unscrew those. Okay, once you've gotten all those done, the screw sizes should be the same all around, so it doesn't really matter if you get them mixed up. Now, going to pull this. You're going to get a flathead screwdriver, place it in between here, and you're just going to kind of push up on it. This should come off. Now, these are the pieces that should come with this. This should be on there, but not now. And then there should be a little spring that goes right behind this. What you're going to do is you're going to pull this off. You don't need this anymore. Put this down there and set these aside. Now we're going to open this up. Pull this down. And 2 modifications in one. You're going to get these air restrictors and you're just going to throw them away. We're going to unscrew these 2 little screws right here. Now that that's done, this should just come right off. Now you're just going to push this in and out, and we don't need this anymore. Now, I'm going to put this back in. You have to line these up so that when you screw it back in, it screws in rightly. You're just going to place that right back in and screw back on.
Now we're going to put these little things back on. Then going to make sure this little nub right here is lined up with the screw hole. It's in the wrong way. It's actually supposed to go in this way. So then make sure this little screw nut is marked up with that little hole. The screw goes in. Push them together. And then you make sure this little screw hole is matched up with that. Place it in. In all the screws back in place.
Now, without the spring that is on this side, I'm going to take that off, place this in the tube, make sure it pops out the other end, place this on here, and then we're going to hammer it with a hammer or some kind of a screwdriver on a hard surface. Before you actually put this on, make sure the shorter end of this little block that goes on the stem is shorter than this one, so the longer one goes on the front where you put in the bullets, and then the shorter one's on the back. Now, you don't need to put this into the gun, because we'll just be able to put it in there when it's all together. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to place this on top. And then we're going to screw everything back together. Now this may be a little bit tricky, but this little guy right here has to go through a little spring. So what you're going to want to do is get that spring with a little screwdriver. You're going to be able to see it in there, but of course not right now. You won't be able to. Make sure this goes in the little circle of that spring. So then you get that little spring to wrap around, hook back around onto that metal dowel. Congratulations! Now all you have to do is load it up, push the button, place it in, wait for it to click and lock, and you're ready to go. And when you're done, push the button, wiggle it just a bit, and then if you have another one off of another Maverick, place it in,